Hello everyone, Krutika Patel again from Samarpan Gyan School, Rata. Today we are going to continue with our topic Mineral and Power Resources, Social Science, Geography. So let's revise the topic of minerals we have already covered. We have come across what are minerals, the naturally occurring substance found under the earth's crust, certain facts about the minerals. We have also seen the low grade ore minerals and high grade ore minerals. We have also come across the two types of mineral, that is metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral, the difference between these two types of minerals, which contains metal, which does not contains metal. The metallic mineral, which are further classified into two, furious and non-furious, that is it contains iron, and non-furious does not contain iron. We have also seen the three methods of extracting minerals: the mining, the drilling, the quarrying. So let's move forward with our topic, distribution of minerals. Minerals occur in different types of rocks. We have seen this extracting minerals, process of extracting minerals. Now how they are divided, how they are distributed. So minerals are found in the three kinds of rocks: igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. Generally the metallic minerals are found in the igneous and the metamorphic rocks. The iron ore, nickel, copper minerals are found in the igneous and metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks, for example, are iron ore in the North Sweden, copper and nickel in the Ontario, Canada. There are many more examples of the metamorphic minerals. Limestone is found in the sedimentary rocks. Plateau region of India, such as Deccan and Chota Nagpur Plateau, provides the rich level of mineral distribution. Now we are going to learn about distribution of mineral the continent wise. How many continents are there, children? You all might be knowing there are totally 7 continents. So first we are going to look at the Asia, the continent in which we all live. The large iron ore deposits, China and India. The world's largest tin producer, China, Malaysia and Indonesia. The China, Malaysia and Indonesia are amongst the world's largest leading tin producers. And the producer of lead, antimony, tungsten, China is the leader. The deposits of the magnesium, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper are there in the Asia. So this is all about the continent Asia, where we saw India and China are the large iron ore deposits. China, Malaysia and Indonesia are the world's largest tin producer. You can see where the Asia is located. This is the mineral map of the world, where you can see the different minerals located in the different locations of the world. This is the continent Asia, where you can see the different minerals located. Next is our continent Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with the large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France. The mineral deposits of the copper, lead, zinc, magnesium and nickel are in the Eastern Europe and the European Russia. So you can see this is the Europe and where the different minerals are located. Next is North America. You can see on the world map where the North America is located. Here what minerals are located here, will have a look. Are the 3 zones. The deposits in the North America are in the 3 zones: the Canadian zone, north of the Great Lakes, the Alpine region, and the mountain ranges of the west. The iron, nickel, gold, uranium, and the copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Coal is mined in the Alpine region. The vast deposit of the copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver are in the West Cordilleras. So this is all about the North America. Now we will move ahead with the South America. What all? So this is South America. What all things are located in the South America? The largest producer of the high grade iron ore in the world is Brazil. The leading producer of copper, Chile and Peru. The world's largest producer of tin, Brazil and Bolivia. The large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, diamond are found in the South America. The mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Next is our Africa. Africa is rich in mineral resources, world's largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. They produce a large portion of the world's gold in South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire. The copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite, the other minerals found in the South Africa. Also the oil found in the Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. So this is Africa, where you can find these different kinds of mineral. Australia, you can see this is the another continent. What kind of minerals is produced? It's the largest producer of bauxite in the world, the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, nickel, rich in copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. It's the largest producer of gold, found in Kalgoorlie and Goulburn area of Western Australia. The last continent of the world. Variety of minerals deposits are found, most probably in large amount. The significant size of deposits of the gold are also found over here. The iron ore, gold, silver, and oil present in the local quantities. So here we come to an end of today's topic, where we have seen the distribution of minerals in the different continents of the world. In the next lecture, we will have a distribution of minerals in India, where we will also have a look at the uses of minerals and the conservation of minerals. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, see you in the next lecture.